This is Link. It connects two or more people together so they can find each other. It's a simple one-button interface. Just pair two or more devices, and then follow the arrow and distance right to your people. That's it. All without the need for phones, maps, connectivity, or subscriptions. Have you ever been lost or separated from your group? Been unsure at a fork in the road? Anxiously waited for your group to return? Struggled to describe where you are? Turned around in a crowded place and your child is gone. But Link is as much for fun as it is for safety. Find your friends at music festivals. Stay together in large crowds. Reunite easily on ski trips. Allow your kids to explore with more peace of mind. Or simply enjoy your outdoor activities with more confidence. Link uses a new approach to GPS and has a range between devices of up to 3 miles. Scroll through groups of up to 12 with a user interface that's simple enough for a young child to use. Link lasts up to 3 days without recharging, and its built-in clip allows you to attach the device to your clothes, gear, or even pets. Engineered to endure the harshest environments, from snowy descents to young kids. Link is more than a people compass. You can set meetup locations that everyone in your group can easily find and return to. A safe zone feature alerts you when anyone strays outside the boundary that you choose. It's great for kids and pets. No more worrying, wandering, or waiting around. Link will find your people when nothing else will.
Dakota is the CEO of a 2-year-old company called Thor Trucks, based in North Hollywood. Thor is one of a handful of companies trying to bring electric drivetrains to really big vehicles.
Really, we set out to solve the issue that fleets are having right now with diesel vehicles. A lot of that surrounds around compliance, maintenance, the cost of fuel, cost of energy, and so we were trying to set out to solve a lot of those problems that fleets have.
In November, Elon Musk unveiled this sucker at an event in LA. Musk said the Tesla semi-rig will cost $180,000, go 500 miles on a single charge, and recharge in about 30 minutes when it arrives at the end of 2019. I came to visit Thor to see what a real-life electric semi can do today. Thor got started in a warehouse when Dakota bought a diesel truck and hired a team to convert it. They replaced the engine with an electric motor, they built some battery packs, and they slapped a giant screen in the cab.
Tell me about the logo. It looks almost like Tesla meets Transformers kind of thing.
Part of what we're trying to do is really exude kind of the power that EVs can provide. When you think about EVs, particularly when you're talking about commercial vehicles, people are like, they're weak, they're not strong.
Thor expects this truck to cost $150,000 for 300 miles of range when it goes on sale in 2019. And they're quiet, run clean, and have amazing pickup.
You know, the power in this thing is unbelievable, the way it takes off and the way it handles. It speaks for itself. Yeah.